back. I'm going to do another one of my Commodore 64 mystery boxes. This one's going to be a little less of a mystery. This one is actually into a few that I did kind of categorize a little bit. So this one's supposed to be Commodore 64 systems. So we have a little bit of an idea of what to expect, but honestly I can't remember what's in any of these. So let's crack it open and have a look. Okay, so we start out with some parts, some RF shields. Well, looks like it's got a little rust on it, but actually both are in relatively good condition. Dust covers. That looks like dust cover for a disk drive, maybe? Good things to have. And we have the Commodore 64 with a dust cover. There's the red bin. Wow, that one looks like it's in really good shape. The dust cover's probably helped. Made in Canada. Well, there's something you don't see on a lot anymore. A few spider webbies in the back there, but all in all, that one looks to be in really good condition. Now, the next one I'm seeing here, well, actually, let's pull this out first. We have a keyboard. It's a broken keyboard. One of the keys is missing, which is the @ key. Oop, almost dropped it. And this is a C64C keyboard. The stem's completely broken. That's interesting. I didn't realize I actually had parts in any of these. Looks of the dust cover, VIC-20. Let's take her off here and have a look. Ooh, yes. Our first VIC-20. That's quite the different power connector there versus the Commodore 64s. Looks like the case is all separated. I'm not sure why. Looks to be in good shape though. A little dirty. Needs a bit of a cleanup. Not really that yellowed or anything. Well, some, but not bad. Nice to still have the dust cover as well. We'll put back on it. We have oh, no idea. We have Commodore 64s in various states of assembly or disassembly. This one's a little grimy, a little yellowed. Looks like it's been partially taken apart. Good old cardboard RF shield they had in some of these older ones. Wow, that's a big board. Made in Hong Kong, 1983. Revision B. I'm wondering if some of these are partially apart because they didn't work or what. After 15 years, I honestly have no recollection. my understanding is correct, this would be a earlier one, made in the US with the more orange colored F keys. I'm going to have to do some reading. There's many people out there who have much better videos about dating these things. Have a look. System board says revision B, 1984. Doesn't say anything about being made in Hong Kong either. I think this one, yeah, is made in the US. Another Commodore 64 bread bin, made in the US. This may be one of the ones that the RF shield's out of. 1984. Looks like a slightly different board. And the last one in here, with a little cat hair. Another Commodore 64. Made in the US. So these have all been opened. Probably the more disappointing part is I have no idea where the screws have gone, so that could be fun trying to find some kind of equivalent. This one looks like a slightly different board again. Let's see, this is a really early one. Commodore 64, 1982, revision A. At some point I'll do a video and I'll actually line all these up and have a look at some of the differences between the different versions. So there we go. Not actually as much variety as I thought. It was interesting finding one that says made in Canada, though. I wasn't expecting that. Also, my first VIC-20. I know I do have another one that's actually in an original VIC-20 box. I'll show that one later. But for now, that is another Commodore box down. Another 6 Commodore machines, my goodness. Alright, well, I hope you liked. Please subscribe and like the video if you did. You can always follow me on Twitter as well as Instagram. And until next time, keep tinkering.